What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today's video is about installing the J&L catch can oil separator to a 2021 F-150. All right, first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to the engine bay. Let's see, let me show you what the catch can looks like. And this is it right here. All right, I opted for this color, so when you open it and look, you can actually see what you have inside. If you get the black, you really can't see it as well. Comes in this box here, comes with a bracket, a couple of screws, a couple of nuts, bolts, and some little clips. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to put one of these on. So we're going to walk over to the truck. We'll walk over, put your stuff down here, go easy, you don't want to scratch anything. First thing you're going to want to do is, right here in the battery compartment, you have this clip, this white clip. You're going to pop this clip out because we need that hole for the bracket. All right, so you're going to get yourself, I'm going to try to use a screwdriver here, flathead. We're going to get in here and we're going to pry it up. All right. So we got our hole here. And then we're going to take our bracket. And if you look here, it's got a few holes at the bottom. Actually, it's got a third one. But we're going to be using the end here. And if we need to, for more stability, we will opt to drill another hole in the plastic for this side. But you're going to line this up here like this to the hole. And what it comes with these clips here. So you're basically going to take out the clips. Be very careful you don't drop anything. These little clips here, you're going to take your one clip and you're going to put your clip in here to line it up. All right, after wasting so much time with these little clips here, these are useless. They're not going to fit, so when you slide them in, the plastic, they just don't line up. These are garbage. That's why they leave you with a couple of nuts here. The nuts have the washers and the gaskets in there, so it's like a lock washer. So you're going to use this. What you're going to do is you're going to get one. You're going to put a couple of washers in between, and you're going to mount it. They're 10 millimeter. Let's put this over here. Put it like this. You're going to put the washer underneath. Then you're going to put your bolt on. Your nut. So be careful, take your time with this. You don't want to drop it. Get it started. Then you're going to take your wrench, hold the bottom, take the top, and start tightening it. I'm going to line this up a little bit. Now it's pretty stable, But if you want, you could send another drill through. But it is pretty stable. One should do it with the lock nut and the washer on there. All right, so now that you have this bracket connected, you're gonna take these clips off here, and there's just a thing you lift up on the back, and I'll show you. It comes right off. And what it is if you can see, you're gonna lift up on this. See this? You just lift up on it, it comes right off. All right, so you put this aside. You're gonna grab your catch can. There's screws at the top, you can see here. You're gonna take this bad boy. You're gonna bring them under here. Comes with these two here, these two screws. You got to get them started. Get your screwdriver. Just get this guy started real quick. Grab the other one. Put this one in. And I'll tell you, if you want the benefits to these, there are a couple of videos out there that'll show you with only a few thousand miles how much junk is going back into your engine. And it will definitely extend the life of the engine here. Because this is new to me, I am going to do an updated video with, you know, like a couple thousand miles from now. We'll do a review and we'll see how it comes out. Okay, so once you got that in place, you're going to take the green end. You're basically going to click it in, right in place. Clicks in. Then you bring this guy over here. And you push it in place. And it clicks in place. So there you go. It's pretty basic. There's one connector here, one connector here. All right, and this is, if you're wondering if it's going to have the clearance, it does. So when you shut your hood, this shouldn't be in the way. So that is basically how you connect a catch can to a 2021 Ford F-150 with a 5.0. And stay tuned for the reviews. In the next 3,000 to 4,000 miles, we're going to open this can up, and you'll see this basically just comes off. Just to show you, it unscrews. And again, the reason I got the aluminum colors, you can see, you're going to be able to see all the water and the debris coming through here, or it's not circling back, it's not recycling back into your engine. You'd be surprised. So we're going to check in a few thousand miles, and that should be it. Remember, when you put this back on, go nice and easy. You don't want to screw up the threads there, strip them. Then you want to give it a nice, you want to tighten it because there is a gasket in there. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it was dragged out a little bit, but yeah, it's pretty strong. Got a lock washer or a lock nut there. It's not going to move. And again, if you want to drill another hole, put a second one in, you could. That's up to you. But we're going to leave it like that. And obviously, you're going to keep this. This is the stock piece. Always keep this with all the rest of your stuff. All right, we'll catch you on the next one. If this helped, give me a thumbs up. I appreciate your time. And what do we got to do now? Yo, Sonny! Where are you, son? It does come with stickers here. I forgot to mention. You can put it on the can. I'm not putting it on the can. What I'm going to do is I'm going to write the mileage down now. Keep it in the box with the extra parts, along with the part for my truck. And this box will go where all my stock parts are for my truck. And then we'll check the mileage from there. Yo, Sonny!